Hey guys, I am going to explain about vitamin D. Please subscribe for more such videos. Vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin. Activation of vitamin D. Vitamin D is a prohormone. The calciferol is first transported to liver where hydroxylation at 25th position occurs to form 25-hydroxycalciferol, in short 25-HCC. The hepatic 25-hydroxylase is a microsomal monooxygenase. It requires cytochrome P450 and NADPH. 25-hydroxycalciferol is the major storage form. In plasma, 25-HCC is bound to vitamin D binding protein VDBP and alpha-2-globulin. In the kidney, it is further hydroxylated at the first position. The 1-alpha hydroxylase is located in mitochondria of proximal convoluted tubules. It requires cytochrome P450, NADPH, and ferredoxine. Ferredoxine is an iron sulfur protein. Thus, 125-hydroxycalciferol is generated. Since it contains 3 hydroxyl group at first, third, and 25th position, it is also called calcitriol. The calcitriol thus formed is the active form of vitamin. Biochemical effects of vitamin D. Sites of action are intestinal villi cells, bone osteoblast, kidney distal tubular cells. Now let's see about vitamin D and absorption of calcium. Calcitriol promotes the absorption of calcium and phosphorus from the intestine. In the brush border surface, calcium is absorbed passively without any energy. From the intestinal cell to blood, absorption of calcium needs energy. It is either by the sodium-calcium exchange mechanism or by pumping out the calcium-carbonidine complex. Calcitriol helps in transcription of specific genes that codes for carbonidine. Due to increased availability of calcium binding protein, the absorption of calcium is increased. Effects of vitamin D in bone. Mineralization of the bone is increased by increasing the activity of osteoblast. Calcitriol coordinates the remodeling action of osteoclast and osteoblasts. It produces the differentiation of osteoclast precursor from multinucleated cells of osteoblast lineage. Calcitriol stimulates osteoblasts which secrete alkaline phosphate. Due to this enzyme, the local concentration of phosphate is increased. The ionic product of calcium and phosphorus increases, leading to mineralization. Effect of vitamin D in renal tubules. Calcitriol increases the reabsorption of calcium and phosphorus by renal tubules, therefore both minerals are conserved. Now let's see deficiency of vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets in children and osteoporosis in adults. We know that osteoporosis is generally found in female due to lack of a steroid hormone after menopause. Now see causes for vitamin D deficiency. People who are not exposed to sunlight suffer from this. Nutritional deficiency of calcium or phosphate also causes vitamin D deficiency. Malabsorption of vitamin D in case of obstructive jaundice and steatorrhea also cause deficiency. Other causes are abnormality of vitamin D activation. Requirements of vitamin D. In children 10 microgram per day, for adult 5 microgram per day. For pregnancy women or those women who are lacting children requires 10 microgram per day. Sources of vitamin D: exposure to sunlight, fish liver oil, fish and egg yolk milk. Hypervitaminosis D. Doses above 1500 units per day for a long period causes toxicity. Symptoms include weakness, polyuria, intense thirst, difficulty in speaking, hypertension, and weight loss. Excess sunlight does not result in toxicity because excess vitamin D3 is destroyed by sunlight. That's all. Thanks.